Sound a clam stuck in your throat.
What the hell was that? What was that noise? You've never made that noise.
Just came out.
What the hell was that? Oh my God. So there we are. And there's our next bit for a Thursday.
Oh God. Stop What was that noise? Can I have one, please?
What the hell was that? You've never made that noise before.
I need to hear it back.
Oh, we've got it. What the hell was that? I want that as my ringtone. Oh, we've just got the sound.
You should be when you get a text message.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, got a text. Oh, God, enough. Ah, there we go. Have a lovely weekend.
Oh.